Alright, I'm going to start by drawing a couple of rectangular polylines. And those look about square. And we'll convert to a molding polyline, not a 3D molding polyline. And under the general, this is where I can say where that molding polyline is going to be vertically in the Z-axis. So I'm going to make this 36 inches. And then add a molding. And I'll use something from my user catalog. Let's use this one. It's kind of big, so it'll show up easy. I want to uncheck extrude inside polyline. I want the molding to be on the outside of the polyline. And then I want that 36 inches to be to the top of this molding profile. So I'll say OK. And you can see, I'll take this one and move it. You can see there's the molding polyline, and here's the outline of the molding that I just added. Let's go over here and look in and there's the molding. And you can do the same thing with this one. Let's convert that to a molding polyline. And I'm going to set this one at 0. I'll add a molding. And let's choose one of those. And this one, since it's at 0, I'm going to leave this set to bottom. I'm going to uncheck this. I'll just leave the other parts the same. And click OK. So there's the molding on that one. Let's go look at so there's the one I just added. There's the first one I did. And you can take this one and we'll move it over here that way and move it that way. Now notice there's no solid or anything anywhere around here. These are just molding polylines that I'm building up. If I wanted to put a solid in between them, or a column or something in there, I can use the polyline solid. Go right there. Open that up, and we'll make it 36 inches. Make that 0. Let's look at that. There's my solid I just put in there. So now if I click on this, I get the molding polyline down here at the bottom. If I click on this one, I get the molding polyline up here at the top. So let's add And let's see, I'll make this one about and I'm going to leave it at bottom. Uncheck this. So that added another molding onto that same molding polyline. There's that second one I just added. If I click down here, I get this molding polyline that's just got a single thing on it. Okay. Maybe I want to drop that down. So I can go up here and I'm going to drop it down 4 inches. So that dropped those top 2 moldings down. Made it even with the top of that 36-inch column I stuck in there. This bottom polyline's not square. Anyway, hope that helps.